Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm doing a Lego set review on the new, it's not new at all, I just said new, Lego City Bag. Okay, it is a Lego Police Helicopter from Lego City, from that set group. It comes in a poly bag, as you've seen on the floor. It's pretty small, it comes with 39 pieces with one minifigure, and I love this set for one reason. One, because it's super cheap. It's only $5 at Walgreens. I don't know why Walgreens sells Legos, but they do. So, it comes with one police pilot, which looks pretty cool. He has the visor thing, which comes with two visors for some reason, so I put one on a clone trooper. It doesn't really fit very well because it's a CAC helmet, but yeah. So, this set, it comes with the top spinning boys, and then the back spinning boys that doesn't really spin. Next, it comes with three accessories. English. It comes with one handcuff, and I don't know where the other one went, but it comes with two handcuffs. So it comes with two of those, and then it comes with a walkie-talkie. Only one of those. And I think I'm going to definitely use the walkie-talkie in Lego Stop Motions. And guys, I know I keep on saying I'm going to use these figures in stop motions, but I'm not going to be using this figure in a stop motion. I might use the set, but definitely not the figure, because that doesn't really go with Lego. I could actually use this helmet for something. I don't know. I don't know how this is going to look, but let's try it. I'm taking this helmet off and stick him on the ground, and then prop it on. That actually doesn't look bad. That doesn't look bad. I definitely will use this, actually. But I doubt this will go on there. That wouldn't look good at all, would it? So, definitely not. I hope you guys have all enjoyed this review on the Lego City police helicopter set. It retails at $5. Well, if you're being exact, $4.99 plus tax. So, out of 10, I review it, and I give it a 8 out of 10. It's very cost effective, so it's not very big. That's a downside, but it makes it so it has a better price. One negative is that this spins for like a second, and then it goes out. But this, on the other hand, spins, and if you give it a load of spins, it spins for longer, of course. So, 8 out of 10. I hope you guys have all enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!